A warm welcome to this session for live interaction in the blended massive open online course on signals and systems. We are very fortunate to be able to have this mode of interaction in the massive open online course. As you know, this is a very beautiful initiative which has been pioneered by Professor D.B. Phatak of IIT Bombay, where we offer massive open online courses through the IIT Bombay X platform, which is adapted from the edX platform, and it's an open source platform, so all of you can take advantage of it. And the whole idea is to give you the best of what we have in terms of the setup at IIT and the academics, without asking you to change your program in too large a measure, or allowing you to change your program, your own academic program, I mean, just as much as you would like to, you are comfortable doing. So, I am very pleased to see that we have a large number of students and associated with them their instructors who have come forward to participate in this important blended MOOCs, as we call it, blended massive open online course initiative. And in particular, I am very happy that in the course on signals and systems, I believe we have more than 20 different institutes. Is that correct? More than 20 institutes or so? Yeah, more than 20 institutes which have come forward to participate in the course. My personal belief is that if all of you participate very actively, you will of course gain the benefit of education at your own institute. You see, you have your own classes, you have your own instructors, but you will also be able to take advantage of the education at many other institutes in the country, not just IIT Bombay. Of course, IIT Bombay is involved, is pioneering the effort and is centrally managing it, but the whole idea is to promote, by virtue of technology, interaction between many institutes in the country in a very constructive manner, like we are doing now. And that way we also try to identify important concepts that span across institutes. Many students may have the same questions, and therefore this live interaction is a very important feature. So with these few introductory remarks, now I would like to enter into the live interaction. I can see several institutes have shown their presence. May I request each of the institutes which are currently present to raise their hands notionally online by putting a question here, so we know how many institutes are currently active and we can communicate with them. I can see that the National Institute of Technology, Sikkim, is definitely, Silchar, I am sorry, is definitely active, and we will begin by talking to National Institute of Technology, Silchar. So very good afternoon to you. Can you hear me? Yeah, good afternoon to you, Professor. Can you hear us?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon to
Hello.
you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Silchar calling. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, we are hearing you. Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you. Now we would like.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, this is NIT Silchar.
Yes. Welcome to this session.
Sir, we are having a basic question regarding registration of the students.
Okay.
Sir,
Please.
our students are yet to register for your courses. Unfortunately, we started late. We already have collected the login email IDs of the students. Now my query is to give us an white document which will help us to create students login ID in IIT Bombay X platform.
Okay. So I have some of the staff who are involved with the blended MOOCs experiment here.
Yes,
So
sir.
in fact, yeah, let's give them. So I'm just going to hand the mic to my staff member here. Yeah. So yeah, so you see, what you will need to do is whether we want to check with you right now. The enrollment end date is specified as 14th August. So is that enough for you?
Yes, sir. Possible.
Okay. In that case, you need to send the information as follows. You will need to send the roll number, username, and email ID number.
To this website.
And I'll write down the website information. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'll just write down the website information. Yeah. Pen mode. Okay. Next page. This is the web page on which you will need to give us the information of roll number, username, and email ID.
Sir, the individual students has to register, or we have to collect the entire information and we will do it by ourselves.
So yeah, please.
So okay, there are two things actually, sir. So one is the students have to go to iitbombayx.in. Okay. So there are two things. One is the students themselves have to go to iitbombayx.in and create an ID and register for the course themselves. Right. So that is one step. Second step is you as an instructor have to collect their information and tell us that these students are registered under you, as in that you are teaching them. So for that information, you have to go to the website that sir has written, bmwinfo.itbombayx.in. So this is you have to do. The students themselves have to register for the course. Right, on this website, you will be telling us that these are the students under you. Right, and the template has been given. In fact, even the login information has been sent.
Students are going to log in and create their ID.
Yeah, so students have to create their ID in iitbombayx.in, not this website. This website is for you, not for the students. Okay. So for the students, there is a website iitbombayx.in where the course is running, right? So that in that website, they have to create an ID and they have to register for the course. That Signal Systems course, they have to register themselves. Once they do that, they have to give you their username, their email ID, and their roll number, and you have to upload these details on this course info website, BMW info website. Okay.
Okay. So is there any deadline to enroll that for the particular course? Any deadline you are creating for it? 14th August.
As of now, no deadline, but do it before 14th August as of now, because that's the deadline for the students to register themselves.
Oh, okay.
So does that clarify your doubt, Professor?
There's one more detail. There's one more detail. So the three fields.
Yes, sir.
There's one more detail. So the three fields you have to enter are roll number, username, and email ID, right? Now the username field should be the same username the student uses in the IIT Bombay X for registering. Okay. So those two usernames should be the same.
Okay. And regarding the course, sir, we just have started Signals and Systems. We have started with Signals. Gradually, we will be putting down our queries, which will feed to you for your for clarifications and discussions.
Very good. That will be very nice. This is a general remark I want. In fact, I have sent a mail also yesterday. It's a general remark I want to make about the discussion forum. I think it's very important to use the discussion forum very extensively, both by the students and also by the instructors. And we actually welcome the instructors also, participating in the discussion by answering some of the student queries, and also by posting their own questions, and also by modifying or remarking upon some of the posts that other people have made. So, we want a very a lot of mutual interaction on the discussion forum. So, in fact, I actually held back my teaching associates from answering all the questions, single questions which have come, because we would like first a lot of participants to interact among themselves before we step in and give answers. So, we want to encourage that. So, we would like your students also to interact among themselves and also with the students of other centers, and we would also encourage the instructors to participate in the interaction on the discussion forum. So, I would request all of you to do that. Is that all right, Professor? Did you get me clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, we will now go to the next college, which is live, G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon and welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, go on, please.
Sir, I am from G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering. Sir, our students have enrolled for this course and they got their username as well as email ID. But when I going to upload that CSV file, that is not uploading.
So the username should be correct.
Okay.
Which is given in IIT Bombay. Same username they are supposed to use.
So I just consulted my staff, and they are saying that sometimes this problem can come because the username which the student has given and the username which is being uploaded is different. So then there can be a problem. So I would recommend that the students also check whether the usernames have been correctly given.
Okay. So after the uploading of that file, what will the next step?
Yeah. So I'll ask my staff to answer that. Yeah.
Just they have to upload.
I think the staff, my staff member is saying that you just need to upload it.
Upload, that's it, and later on once the functionality is added, you'll be able to see your students' marks. That's a later on feature. As of now, it is just supposed to upload. That's it.
They can log in BMW.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So in fact, you can log in to the site which I have mentioned here. I'll just point to that site again. Yeah. So please look at, this is for all the centers. Please look at this site.
And read the user manual.
Yes. In fact, I'll also, please read the user manual.
Yes, sir, we are note down.
So all information has been given in the user manual.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Do you have any technical questions today? So G.H. Raisoni College, are there any technical questions that we should discuss?
Yes, sir. Actually, our syllabus is we having the syllabus in unit number 1, probability, and in unit number 6 we have information theory, entropy. So you are going to cover that part also in your course.
In signals and systems in the IIT Bombay syllabus, we don't talk about information theory or about probability. That is taught in different courses. So I think there may be some. So how is your course structure? Can you tell us what are the other components or units?
So we have Fourier transform, CTS of DTS, both of them, and sir, initially in unit number 2, signals and system, convolution theorem, basic is there, and then Fourier transform, Fourier series, of CTFT and DTFT. This we have.
Okay.
And sampling theorem.
Right. So all these topics, the CT, the continuous time Fourier transform, discrete time Fourier transform, the signal systems part, convolution, sampling, all this is a part of this course E210X. But probability and information theory is taught in different courses. So we don't teach that as a part of signals and systems.
Yes.
Okay. So you can make use of this E210X for your portion related to convolution systems, Fourier transform, and the continuous and discrete time, Fourier series, sampling, and so on. Yes?
Yes.
Any other technical questions that you have?
No, we don't have practical for this subject, sir. We have, and in DSP we have the practical subject in next year, 6th semester.
Okay, okay. No, I was asking you whether you want to discuss any technical questions today.
Right now we don't have anything.
Right now there is nothing. Huh? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, and please be online. We are discussing with other centers also. Now I have. So how does it? So any of the centers?
Go in serial order.
So let's see. Let's go to KJ Somaya College of Engineering. Very good afternoon to you. We are not getting your audio.
This will be online and
Yeah, I think now we are hearing you a little louder perhaps, or I just speak closer to the mic.
ask you whether is the quizzes also online?
Quizzes also online.
After this, I will come on 5th of August.
So the quiz is, the first quiz will be given, administered on the 5th of August.
Hello.
And it will be open for 48 hours.
Quizzes are also online, and are we the students getting?
Are you talking about? Can you repeat the question, please?
Okay. Open for?
Professor, unfortunately, we are missing some of your some part of your question. Can you speak slowly and into the mic?
Are the students getting some assignments also?
Yes, students will have quizzes, quiz questions,
Hello?
short examination questions, and they will be given roughly every week. Not
So okay.
okay, yeah. Why don't you?
So there are 3 sets of problems which students will get. One is the practice problems, which are at the end of every lecture. So these are not graded; they're just meant for students' practice, right? So that's one kind of problem. Then at the end of every module, that's every 3 weeks, we'll have a graded quiz. Okay, so the first quiz, for example, is on the 5th of August, and then you can count every 3 weeks after that. Plus, we have a midterm and a final exam. And the dates, actually, the course calendar has been uploaded on the course website, so you can see what the exact dates are.
Were you able to hear us, Professor?
Okay. Okay, sir.
In fact, even the students can see the calendar.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, any other
Yeah,
questions
sir.
from your side?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. All right. We'll take the next center then. We have Amman Institute of Technology. Bannar, next.
1073.
Yeah, a very good afternoon to you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Welcome.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. Please go on.
I'm the program coordinator for our institution.
Yes. So, welcome. And do you have any questions, or would you like to make any remarks or anything, any inputs?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt. How will the students access the material, sir?
How will students access the material? On iitbombayx.in. So, I'll just, yeah, also next page. So, the students can access this is the link. So, in fact, even if you type this link in Google, you can go to IIT Bombay X and then click, and then they can register and access the course.
Okay, sir.
So,
While logging in IIT Bombay's website, we
yes,
have two links for the course, sir. BMW EE 210X and EE 210X.
yes,
And
yes.
how will the which is the link for students?
Students is just the without the BM, is that right? The without the BM link is for students, and the BM link is for the instructors, or that is the coordinators.
Okay, sir. How will be the exam quiz process, sir? Whether it will be online or students will individually do the quizzes offline?
So it's actually up to you as an institute. You can either ask the students to answer the quiz questions at home if you are comfortable with that, or if you have enough computers in your if you have enough computer labs, or you can, if you don't have enough computers, you can even divide the student to batches and make them answer the quiz on campus. So, but the quiz is entirely online. It's uploaded on the website. In fact, the students will also get their grades immediately from the quiz itself. As soon as they answer the question, they will get their grade.
Okay, sir. The timing to attend the exams will be as per our convenience, right?
So it's open for 48 hours. So for example, quiz 1 is released on 5th of August, and after that you have 2 days. The students have 2 days to complete the quiz.
Okay.
So for example, first quiz on next Thursday, is next Wednesday, sorry, and by Friday at 12 p.m. they have to complete the quiz. So it's 48 hours from 12 p.m. to 12 p.m.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, do you have any other questions, Professor? Anything else that you would like to talk about?
Nothing else, sir. That's all.
Thank you so
very
much. Thank you. Good afternoon. Now, maybe we can first ask, are there any centers which have questions that we should discuss first? Can you raise your hands? Can you raise your hands online so we can go to you? Are there any centers which have questions?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, this is JIS.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. You are JIS College of Engineering, Kalyani, Nadia, no?
Hello.
Yes, hello. Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Sir, actually students are asking, sir, when they will get the certificates, that it is a hard copy certificate or it is a soft copy certificate. The students are asking.
So it won't be a hard copy, it will be a soft copy certificate. I mean, if they want, they can print it. And the certificate will be after the final exam. Right? Yeah, so that's it. So once the final exam is over, maybe a few days after that, up to a week after that, they will get the certificate. And it will be online, so it will be a PDF they can download.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
And the certificate will be awarded only after the student has earned pass marks.
Right, 40% of the
So
online course.
The student has to earn pass marks and then the certificate will be awarded. Is that fine?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Yeah, can you hear us?
Hello.
Yes. Oh. So,
Hello.
Yes, yeah, yes, yes. So, Professor, the student will earn a certificate after he gets pass marks. So, only after the student gets pass marks. Oh, you have disappeared.
I think he's going to fix something.
Yeah, so I just wanted to mention that the student will earn a certificate only after he earns pass marks in the course. So, unless he gets 40% marks, he will not be given a certificate. That should be known. Could you hear me, please?
Sir, I am not hearing from your voice.
Okay. Can you hear me now? So, there is some bandwidth problem from your side. Can you please check that? There is a bandwidth problem.
Sir, I am not hearing your voice, sir.
We can just, or you want to write it down?
Yeah, I think we can send. So you can, we'll send an email. See, we. Okay.
He'll send in chat. He'll send in chat.
Okay, okay. There is a problem with the bandwidth, so we'll just communicate to you. Meanwhile, we'll go to the other center. This is Samrat Ashok Technology. What is that? Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Madhya Pradesh, in Vidisha. Good afternoon and welcome.
No audio.
Please turn on the mic. Okay. So, there is a problem with your audio setting. So, please check your audio setting and raise your hand, raise the hand bar after your audio setting has been checked, right. So, meanwhile, let us go to NIT Warangal, National Institute of Technology Warangal. Warangal, no?
Not Warangal. This is GRET.
Acha, this is Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So, a very good afternoon to you and welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon and welcome to this interaction.
Thank you very much, sir. We have a couple of questions here.
Yes.
The first thing is the video content that you have put up, is it downloadable at all?
Yes, yes, it is downloadable.
Because I could only see the icon for, I could only see the handouts, the information about the handouts. They are downloadable, but I couldn't find any information about the video being downloadable.
We'll just check, but it is supposed to be downloadable. We'll just check if it is.
And the next question.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir, I'll check that out.
And
And the
also,
other one,
I
will the
believe,
quizzes
my
be
staff
available
is-
for the faculty as well?
Sorry, 1 minute. My staff member is telling me that it is downloadable from Moodle also. Do you have access to Moodle?
Sir, is that the same? I just have very big doubt about the video lectures that have been posted. It's in the courseware. Are they the video lectures?
Yes, yes.
The courseware of IIT Bombay.
Yes, courseware. That's
Because
right.
that's what we've been following.
Yes, yes, courseware. That's correct.
Okay. And thank you, sir. And will the quiz papers be available for the faculty as well?
Yeah, I mean the.
Not in advance. It will be released.
No, it
Because
will be-
as you said earlier,
So the quiz papers will be synchronously available to the faculty and students. That means when the quiz is released, it will be released for everybody and it will be closed for everybody after 2 days. So on 5th of August is the first quiz to be released. It will be available to everybody, faculty, students, and it will be closed after 2 days. So, yeah.
all right, sir.
Okay, what we will do is now
Thank
we
you,
have
sir.
taken note of your suggestion. So, we will just see if there is a better way to put a download button on the course itself or something like that. But you can download the videos, there is no problem. On the Moodle you can download the videos.
Yeah,
Any other
I
questions?
probably didn't try it.
Okay.
I'll try it out, sir.
Sure, and do get back to our staff if there are any questions. So, any other questions that you have?
We still have to dig in. So next session.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, we will go to the next. This is NMIMS.
Nothing for the moment, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Now, we will go to the next institute, and that is NMIMS MPS TME Shirpur, Dhule. Very good afternoon to you. Bandwidth is. Good afternoon to you, Shirpur Dhure. Okay, so we'll come back to you when you have your audio ready, because we can't hear you right now. All right. Let's take Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, that is the third 1018. Yeah. Oh, we have already, is that ready? No, that we have gone there once. Okay. All right. Let's take Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering. Very good afternoon. There seems to be a big group here. This is at Nagpur.
Good afternoon.
A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon. So we are looking forward to hearing from you.
Sir, we have a small technical issue which we have not yet been able to sort it out. Can you please give us one more day? We'll come back to you on that technical issue.
Okay. What is the technical issue? Is it some question related to signal systems, or is it some operational issue?
No, this is regarding the syllabi of IIT Bombay and YCC.
Oh, I see.
Of
Okay.
computer programming.
Oh, no, we are talking about signal systems right now.
Okay.
So are there any questions?
For signals and systems, the course is in the 4th semester at YCC.
Okay.
Sorry, 5th semester. At the moment it is going on.
Okay.
We have registered our faculty with the IIT Bombay website, and they have received the video lectures also.
Okay. Do they have anything to discuss about what is being taught in the course?
I will pass it on, sir.
Sir, in case of convolution,
yes,
how we can select the range of result? How we can select the range of result?
The range of the result. Okay. I'll explain that to you. Next page. Slow, it has to be slow. Bandwidth. So suppose we have two signals, one going from capital T1 to capital T2. And the second signal going from capital T3 to capital T4. Then when you convolve signal 1 with signal 2, what do you want? You want the result. You see the convolution result, let us call it yt, and x1t convolve with x2t, yt is x1 lambda x2 t minus lambda integrated over all lambda. So you need that lambda should be between T1 and T2, and T minus lambda should be between T3 and T4. And when you add these inequalities, then you get T should be between T1 plus T3 and T2 plus T4. So, therefore, the range becomes between T1 and T3 and T2 plus T4, T1 plus T3 to T2 plus T4. Does that clarify your question?
Sir, for different small t's, if the responses are different, then how we can select that small t?
No. See, the thing is, the convolution is a linear operation. So, if you can express a signal as a sum of smaller signals over smaller intervals, you can carry out the convolution for each of these intervals, find out the range for each interval, and then add up the resultant part-wise convolutions. Okay, that is possible because convolution is a linear operation. Is that clear?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, any other questions?
Thank you, sir.
All right. So, do we have any other questions from your center?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you and very good afternoon to you. Now, we will go to Tyagaraja College of Engineering. This is 1173. That's right.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon to you.
Sir, we have started the course only on 27th July only, sir.
Okay.
We have started the third semester. Okay. Now we are at the stage of registration of students, sir. Registering the students.
Okay. Are you clear how to do all those things?
Okay. I have clarified the doubt how to register the student.
Okay.
And what is the role of Moodle software, Moodle website, sir? I want to know about.
Moodle is for additional interaction beyond what you can do on the discussion forum and what you can do through, by the live interaction. So, live interaction will be there, the discussion forum is there. In addition to that, you have Moodle. So, Moodle may help us communicate, through to the instructors, also post assignments. That way, Moodle is useful.
Oh, student can upload their assignment in Moodle also, sir, or?
I don't think the students are given access to Moodle. We are not in a position to give the students access to Moodle, but we can have the instructors access Moodle.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Anything else that you would like to ask or discuss?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon to you. Okay, now we can go to Amity Institute, Haryana, Manis sir.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon. Yes.
Sir, I would like to ask that you are asking students' roll number and login ID and email ID. So these all characters are pasted in CSV file.
Template is given and
yeah.
It should be in CSV file. That also given.
So the template has been given and it should be in a CSV file. So it's there in the user manual, right? So if you actually go to that bmwinfo.iitbombayx.in, there's actually a very detailed user manual in PDF form. So that has all the details, what format you should give, what's the template, everything is given in that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions that you have?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. Good afternoon to you. Okay, now we go on to Geetam University, Hyderabad. Very good afternoon to you, Geetam University, Hyderabad. Okay. So, Geetam University, maybe you can get ready with your questions and then we can come back to you. We will go now to the next one, that is FET Modi Institute of Technology. A very good afternoon to you. This is at Lakshmangarh, Sikar, Rajasthan. Very good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Hello.
afternoon. A very good afternoon to you.
So right now we don't have any question.
Okay.
All the process is clear. Means we have done all the registration process and everything is clear. We don't have any question right now.
Okay. Do your students have any technical questions?
No, sir. Not right now.
Okay. So maybe you can let us know. But we would like all of you to participate in the discussion forum also, the instructors also. And please tell your students also to participate actively in the discussion forum.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much and good afternoon.
Thank you.
Then let us go to, which one is left? NIT Warangal. Is that right? Yeah, NIT Manipur, sorry. National Institute of Technology Manipur. Imphal. Yeah. A very good afternoon to you. So, NIT Manipur, a very good afternoon to you. Okay, yeah. Okay, they are not able to interact due to some network problem. Okay, so would you like to post some questions on chat? Would you like to post any questions on chat? Yes, please go ahead. If you have a question, please go ahead. Can you hear us? Can you answer? Can you hear us? Okay, so please go on. Please post your question. He is posting something. Okay, so please post your question. Meanwhile, if there are any questions from other centers, could you raise your hands, please? So oh, acha. Please suggest any. Okay, just a minute. Course of signals is included even semester according to our syllabus. Please suggest. So that is okay. See, even if the course is, so the question is that the signal systems course is there in the even semester. So that doesn't matter. You can still make use of the course. It will be run. Of course, the course will be repeated. Is that right? In the even semester also will be repeating this. So the course will be available to you in the even semester also. But you can, if some of your faculty or even the students want to do the course now, they are welcome. there is no problem. You can make use of the course now also, you can again make use of it in the even semester, there is no problem. Does that answer your question? Well, yeah, it's if you are not doing the course this semester, you can do it next semester, there is no problem. Okay then, all right. Very good afternoon, and we will proceed to the next center then. That will be NIT Warangal. Yeah, 1025. A very good afternoon to you, NIT Warangal.
Hello.
Hello, a very good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes. Very good afternoon
This
to
is
you.
NIT Warangal.
Yes, I am audible.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Are
yes.
you able to hear?
Yes, yes, yes. Please hold the mic closer to your.
Voice is breaking, sir. Voice is not.
Okay, now I am able to hear you clearly.
Hello.
Okay, now can you hear me clearly?
Voice is breaking.
It is still breaking?
What? Yes.
So please check, there is a bandwidth problem, I believe. Now, can you hear me clearly now?
Bandwidth upload is 67 and download is 39 Mbps. It is coming. Google speed test.
Oh, so.
We are getting upload 67 Mbps.
So I think the problem. Okay, so the problem is, see that 67 which you are saying, that bandwidth is for your local server, but the bandwidth as connected to our server is lower. That's what we are observing. So can you please check that? Anyway, you can proceed. We are able to hear you, so I can hear your question. So please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Video is all okay.
Yes.
Video is good.
Yes, yes. So please go ahead. I can hear you, so you can proceed with your question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So please, are there any questions or anything that you would like to discuss?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so there are no questions. So, okay, then we'll go to College of Engineering, Pune, Maharashtra. Yes, I can see them now. Yes. So, very good afternoon to all of you. So, College of Engineering, Pune, can you hear me? Yeah, I can see Professor Shilpa Medkar, I think, is sitting there. So, so can you hear us? Please raise your hands if you can hear us. Yeah, so you can hear us, but we are not able to hear you. Are you speaking? Where is your mic? Where is the microphone? So, okay, so if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Otherwise, maybe you can You can raise your hands if there are any questions, or if there are no questions, you can say no like this. Okay, fine. So then we'll go to NMIMS MSTME Shirpur Dure. So Shirpur, do you have any questions or do you want to discuss anything? So the audio is not, are you able to hear? If you can hear me, please raise your hands. If you can hear me, please raise your hands. Okay, so we can't hear you, there is a problem with your audio. Now we can hear. There is no audio from your end. Okay, so maybe we can come. Yeah, so we'll come back to Shirpur Dhure after the audio has been checked, please. So, are you ready with your audio? So, after you check your audio setting, then NMIMS Shirpur can raise their hands. Okay, now we can go to which college have we not gone to? Samrat Ashok Technological Institute. Not the user. I think have we gone to all the? So, if any college wants to discuss anything, please raise your hands. Please raise your hands online. Yes, so Samrat Ashok Vidisha, yes, hello, how are you doing? So, are you going to, would you like us to transfer the video to you? So, let us go to Samrat Ashok, let us see if it is publishing its video. Yes, now I can see, yes. Yes, good afternoon to you. So, very good afternoon to you, Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha. So, please use the chat mode, yes, okay, yeah. So, I want to ask about registration, okay, yes, yeah. Tell us what you want to ask. Yes, about registration, tell us the question. Yes, so how to register students, okay. So, we already, we gave that link, so we will just go to the text page. So, you see you have to register on this site, please note it down, http://bmwinfo.iitbombayx.in, and you must send a list with roll number, username, email ID. Now, this username should be the same as the username that the student has given during registering for the course, and the instructors are requested to read the user manual very carefully. Does that clarify your question, please? And the student should also access and register on this site iitbombayx.in. Is that clear? Does this answer your question? Yeah, okay. Next question. Yes, tell us what is the next question. Try to use your audio, it might work. Just see, check your audio setting and try to use it.
You have completed lectures.
Okay, you have completed one lecture, very good. Are there any questions on that one lecture? Okay, doesn't matter. If your audio is not working, you can tell us in text. You want the complete syllabus. Okay, actually the complete syllabus is there. It is there on the course web page. Course info. You know, in the course info section, it should be there. The complete syllabus is there. Courseware, I think.
Course info.
Course info.
In the course info, there is
contents.
Contents of the
So in course info, there is a section called contents of the course. So you know that has all the syllabus. So it has all the syllabus of part 1 and part 2 also. I am sorry, it has all the syllabus of module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. The full course, I mean, you know, all the 4 modules which are there in the course, the syllabus is mentioned. Course info, you go to the contents of the course. Yes, next question, yes. Criteria, certificate criterion, see the student has to obtain pass marks, that is 40% or more. All right, so any other questions? All right. So any other questions or anything else that you would like to discuss? Okay, thank you. Yes, I think they have something. Okay, KJ Somaya College of Engineering, is there anything?
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Yes, sir.
You hold the mic.
Question.
Yes.
We have a question regarding time scaling and shifting.
Okay.
Normally we say that we have to shift the signal first and then we have to scale it.
Okay.
Am I right, sir?
No, see.
But how can we prove it?
No, see, whether you shift or scale or ultimately you should see what is the relation you are aspiring for. So, for example, let us take an example.
Yes, sir.
See, suppose you take the example y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 5. Okay. So, this is what is called an affine transformation, any affine transformation on the independent variable.
Okay.
Now, the best thing to do is to take 2 points for mapping.
Okay.
So, for example, let us see. So, you have 2t plus 5.
Yeah.
So, when t is equal to 0, 2t plus 5 maps to 5, and when t is equal to 1, it is easiest to take these 2 points, then 2t plus 5 maps to 7. That means at t equal to 0, so at t equal to 0, you should have x of 5 written here, and at t equal to 1, you should have x of 7 written here, isn't it? So, all the other points can now be filled in. The moment you have 2 points, then all the others can be filled in, because the transformation is monotonic between these points and everywhere else. So, for example, what is between 5 and 7 will now get compressed between 0 and 1, and that means that you are compressing by a factor of 2, as you can see, and then whatever is after 7 will start from here and go ahead, whatever is before 5 will continue here, all of it will get compressed by a factor of 2. That is the safest way of reasoning, instead of trying to do one before the other and all that. Is that method clear?
Some examples, they are a little ambiguous.
Yes.
Like if we have a simple ramp, simple sawtooth signal, let's say from 0 to 2,
okay,
the magnitude is 3.
Okay.
If I want to do 0.5 t,
yes,
plus 0.5.
0.5 t plus 0.5
on this particular signal. So,
okay. So, let us
0.5.
Okay. So, I will just show you. So, what you are saying is you take y of t
is a ramp.
That is okay. No, first let us start with x of t plus 1 by 2, isn't it? 0.5 t plus 0.5, isn't it? Is this what you want?
Correct.
Is this what you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The signal is a ramp signal going from 0 to t.
Yes.
0 to 2.
0 to 2.
It is a ramp.
Yes.
And the magnitude is 3.
Magnitude is 3.
That's all. That is the signal.
So, very simple. So, what you do is take the points 0 and 2. So, which point? So, you see when. Okay. Now, you see, now you want to find out where 0 will come. So, 0 is equal to t plus 1 by 2. That means t is equal to minus 1. Okay. And you want to find out where 2 will come. So, 2 is t plus 1 by 2. That means you want t equal to 3, isn't it? So, you want x of 0, now I will show it. Is this clear so far? So, now what you want is,
yeah, sure.
At t equal to minus 1, you are going to put x of 0, and at t equal to 3, you are going to put x of 2, isn't it? So, this is how it should look.
Yeah.
Okay, is that clear? So, it is best, it is always in an affine transformation.
This is from somewhere.
Sir.
Yes.
I have a query with the same problem.
Yes.
There are steps given in some of the books. First shifting and then scaling.
Okay.
And if we are doing vice versa.
Yeah.
If we are doing vice versa, that is scaling first.
Yes.
Then shifting has to be not done by the alpha, same amount of a time or same units of a time. It has to be beta upon alpha.
That is correct. That is correct. See, but you know, that is correct. What you are saying is also an alternate way. Yes. What you are saying is an alternate way of doing it, but normally that method is confusing. See, many books say that, but that method is confusing. So, the most reliable method is to map 2 points. No, you take what are called two points of mapping, as I have shown you. That is always safe, because then you are unlikely to go wrong.
Okay. Hello. Sir,
Yes.
but means we found that students are not convinced when we say, because they try to apply normal mathematics rules, and so if we take out in this particular example, if we take out 0.5 outside, then
Yes.
it will be t minus t plus 1.
Yes.
So it is 0.5 in bracket t plus 1.
Yeah.
So we try to tell them that we should first shift it by plus 1 and then apply the scaling of 0.5. Then they are not convinced, sir. We are not able to convince them.
No, no. See,
so
if
will you please?
Yeah. Okay.
focus
I can explain in a slightly different way. See, you take the expression directly. Okay. So, you take the expression directly. So, let us write down y of t is x of half t plus half. So, you operate in 2 steps. You first write gt is equal to x of t plus half. Okay. So, how is x of t plus half? Now, that you write as, initially it was from 0 to 2 and the height was 3, that height anyway will not change. This was x of t. So, x of t plus half will look like this. I will just show you.
No, sir, we tried to explain it this way, but they are not convinced.
No, so let us see, let us go step by step. So, x of t plus
minus
half will look like this. T plus half means going backwards.
That's it.
Okay, this is g of t.
Yeah.
Now, you take y of t is g of half t.
Yeah.
So, half t means you are going to stretch by a factor of 2. This goes to minus 1. Oh, yeah, I will take the next page. I will take the next page.
3.
So,
Yeah.
so y of t is g of half t.
Correct.
So, when you go to g of half t, minus half goes to minus 1.
Minus 1 to 3.
And 3 by 2 goes to 3. So, now you have this signal coming here.
Yeah.
You can reach it like that also. So, you can go in 2 steps. You can first, so it may be, in that sense it is safer to first do the movement and then do the scaling, if you want to understand like that. But then the movement should be done by the correct movement factor. The movement factor should be the constant taken out, not the constant embedded in a bracket. No, not that. Otherwise, you do it by the 2-point method. Both of them are correct.
Okay.
Is that clear?
But it is not possible to scale it first and then shift. That will give wrong answer,
yeah, that
right?
may give, yeah, if you scale it first, then you have to be careful, because the
yes, sir.
shifting has to be different then. The shifting
Yes,
has
sir.
to be
Thank you,
different.
sir.
Yes? Okay, is that fine?
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, now let us take any college has a question now? Shall we take any NIT Silchar? Do you have any question? 1184. Okay. Then let us go to NMSIT Shirpur 1103. I think they had finished. Do you have any questions at Shirpur? Shirpur Dure, any questions?
No.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
A very good afternoon. I can hear you now.
Hello, sir. What will be the use of linear convolution for discrete time signal?
Okay. What is the use of linear convolution for discrete signals?
Hello, sir.
Yes. So, see, both for discrete linear systems and for both for discrete and continuous linear shift invariant systems, convolution tells you how the output is related to the input. So, the convolution of the input with the impulse response gives you the output. That is true both for continuous linear shift invariant systems and also for discrete linear shift invariant systems. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do you have any question, MIT University?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I want to just ask one question.
Yes.
So let's suppose we have one, sir, we have one straight line equation like y is equal to mx plus c.
Okay.
But sir, we say it's no, it's a non-linear system. It's not a linear system.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I am not able to understand why it is not.
It's not linear.
Non-linear. Why it is non-linear system? Because it's a straight line equation.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See, your question is, suppose we have a system which says y of t.
Yes, sir. Y of t, yes.
Is m times, or let us say 2 times x of t plus 3, let us say.
Yes,
so, is
sir,
it
yes,
linear or non-linear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, you take two different situations. You apply one signal x1t, let us say x1t is sin t. Okay. Apply another signal x2t, let us say x2t is sin 2t. Alright, now what is the output in the first case? In the first case, the output is sin t, 2 times sin t plus 3. In the second case, the output is 2 times sin 2t plus 3. Now, if I add these outputs, I should get 2 times sin t plus sin 2t plus 6. However, if I apply the sum, if I apply x1t plus x2t here, what do I get? I get 2 times x1t plus x2t plus 3, not 6. So, there is a difference between what you get when you add the inputs and apply it and when you add the respective outputs. That is not acceptable for a linear system. If you add the inputs and apply it, it should give you the same output as if you add the respective outputs. That is not happening here. Is that clear?
Thank you, sir. So, sir, there is one more question.
Yes.
Sir, I would like to ask what is difference between digital signal and discrete signal?
Okay, good question. In a discrete signal, the independent variable has been discretized, right. So, for example, the time variable could have been discretized in audio, but the samples have not been discretized, they are still continuous valued variables. In a digital signal, both the independent variable and the dependent variable have been discretized. That is the difference. Is that clear? So, that means the dependent variable has been quantized most of the time.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions from your side?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Okay, I think then we are through with all the centers right now. So, thank you so much for all of you for coming to interact with us this afternoon. We look forward to more such interactions. In the next interaction, we would look forward to technical questions from all of you, and please bring your students also to the interaction. That makes the interaction even more effective. So, very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you.